I'm Marina Herrera and I'm data scientist and project manager in Data and System Transformation department in Iberia Zone. In my daily basis, we are creating a lot of advanced analytics projects of machine learning in Iberia. At the end of the day, we are the owner of the data-driven journey, so we put the data in the core value of the business. We are 30 people in the team, located in Spain and Portugal, and we are responsible of different areas, analytics, data business partner, pricing and other support areas. And our team, I think that the best characteristic is we don't have any intermediate manager, so we need to cooperate and collaborate with other people in the team. We use a lot of technologies. For example, to extract the data, we use SQL. To analyze and make all the machine learning algorithms, we use Python, R and Azure. And at the end of the day, we use Tableau to visualize the data and put it to the business. Well, I think that the best part to work in Schneider Electric is the facility to learn every day and to keep in contact to people around the world and to work in a lot of projects again in around the world.